Hello, my name is Angelica Coda, and today we'll be discussing how to properly install, remove, and maintain your AOA-5-EX angle of attack cover. Understanding how to safely use and maintain your AOA-5-EX ensures proper protection and will extend the life of your equipment. The AOA-5-EX has a universal design and protects most angle of attack vane sensor from debris and damage. The robust anodized aluminum body can withstand extreme weather conditions, and interior is lined with a protective high-temperature silicone. Prior to installing the AOA-5-EX, make sure to inspect the product. Make sure the lever suction cups are clean and free of any imperfections. Ensure the surface of the aircraft is free of debris. Carefully place the AOA-5-EX over the angle of attack vane. The lever suction cups should not overlap with the paint line or other orifice. The AOA cover can be oriented in an angular position if needed to avoid paint lines. Hold firm pressure on the cover and simultaneously grasp the lever on either lever cup. Press the lever to securely fasten the lever suction cup to the aircraft. Repeat this process with the opposite lever suction cup. To remove the AOA-5-EX, firmly grasp the cover and simultaneously grasp the lever on either lever suction cup. Fold the lever upward. Repeat this process with the opposite lever suction cup. Gently remove the AOA-5-EX from the aircraft. Clean any dirt or debris off your Executive Series GSE products with warm water and mild soap. Store your Executive Series GSE products in their optional avionics bag or in a dry and safe location. Sesame Technologies Incorporated is a proven leader in the field of ground support equipment, and we thank you for making us a part of your maintenance program. Thank you for choosing Sesame Technologies Incorporated Executive Series GSE for your aircraft protection needs.